BarkBox. Oh, Watson got mail. Watson got some mail? What's that? What is it? Do you want to open it up and see what it is and show everybody? Let's see. Here we go. What is it? Does it smell good? Does it smell like toys for you? Oh, look. Look. The Barkies. Is this for you? What's all that stuff? What is all that? It's for you. Look, the Barkies, the 99th Annual Barkie Awards. What did you get? Oh, pork recipe dog treats. Wow. Lamb. And what is this? Look, it's an award for you with the baseball on it. So cute. Yeah, that's a toy for you. Oh, a little tuxedo that you can wear and be so cute. Oh, it almost fits. It almost fits. I think they think you're smaller. Oh, it fits. Does that fit? What's that? Okay, we'll take it out. And then you got a bone. Let's see if you like it. Super exciting. You're wagging your tail, huh? What's this? Do you like BarkBox? Wow. Then you got a little card. Yay, so cute. Thanks, BarkBox.